all I got. Hi everyone, welcome back to What's Sewing On. Today is my final costume look for Halloween videos, and I'm really excited for this look because A, the dress is amazing, and B, I'm really nervous about the add-on stuff I'm going to be doing. So keeping with tradition, everything I'm using for this dress today is thrifted. I'm actually only going to be using 3 white bed sheets. C'est tout. The look I am doing is Goldie Hawn from Death Becomes Her. And the crowd goes mild. This movie was a staple in my childhood. I don't know why our parents allowed us to rent it as much as we did, but if you went to the local Blockbuster where I lived growing up looking for this movie, you wouldn't have found it because we had it all the time. I don't know why my parents let us rent this movie so many times. I don't know why we didn't just buy it. I'm actually surprised Blockbuster just didn't give it to us because we rented it so many times we probably could have purchased that movie 30 times over. So I'm actually going to be doing Goldie Hawn's look from the cover. Just that white dress with the hole and the candelabra coming through. I don't know what I'm really going to be doing for this whole candelabra coming through my chest thing, but we're going to give it a try. It might just be a white dress. So the pattern I'm using is Simplicity 9033, and I'm going to be doing dress A. So in the cover, she actually only has short sleeves, but when I saw this pattern and I saw those sleeves, I think Goldie Hawn will be okay with this type of alteration because those sleeves are glorious. So I think for the first time in What's Sewing On history, I'm not going to be showing you the bed sheets because they're literally just white bed sheets, and there's 3 of them. So I'm just going to start cutting. Can I just say, I am super happy this pattern doesn't have darts. This is honestly devil's cotton. I just want to rip it up. I am so frustrated right now. So I have put together the back 4 panels, and I put together the 3 front panels. So now all I have to do is attach the front to the back. And honestly, it is the worst material I think I have ever used to date. And I always use recycled material. It doesn't like any tension on my sewing machine. I have tried them all. Every single notch, I have tried it, and it always puckers. It doesn't like any setting on the iron. It doesn't matter if it's cotton, silk, acrylic, wool. I have tried them all, and it will not iron properly at all. It just will not work with me. Not to mention, if there is a speck of dust or lint or anything within the vicinity, within 20 yards of this fabric, I have seen it literally come at me, slow motion matrix, way off in the distance, stop where it was heading, turn around and come directly for it. It picks up everything. So I was looking at the scrap fabric, and maybe I should have looked at this from the start. There is only 1 tag on it that says cotton with 1 T, made from China. I'm pretty sure it must be like an Amazon bed sheet or something that was literally titled feather pillow sheet with 1 E. I don't know, like something other than bed sheet. Like, this is not cotton. This is awful. I think what I'm going to do is switch this to the lining of the dress and use the other cotton bed sheet, which is actually 100% cotton because I just went and checked. And I'll just use that for the outside layer, and this will be the inside layer. If all else fails, I'm literally just cutting 2 eyes in this and going as a ghost.
do you got? What's that? Give me that. Early, I need this. Oh, look at that. No.
I just want you to know one thing, Hel. You brought this on yourself.
And my Helen Sharp look is complete. I think if I wore this to a Halloween costume with the low budget hand and candelabra, people that knew the movie would completely understand who I was being, and that's pretty much all that matters. I'm really happy with the dress. I learned a lot with it. The biggest challenge and difficulty I had was that for some reason I made 2 left sleeves. I don't know how I did that. I guess I just wasn't paying attention, but I'm really happy I made that mistake because now when I do sleeves from now on, I will always remember to make sure that I'm making one of each and not just one of both. So this sleeve is actually the lining on the outside, but it's white fabric and I think you can't even tell the difference even in person because it's just the same color. I could have undid the whole sleeve and did it over again, but instead I just flipped it inside out and attached it that way. And I'm really happy that I did the long sleeves because I think it really brings something to the dress, and Helen Sharp would absolutely wear this dress. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my last costume look for Halloween videos. And to be honest, I'm really excited just to go back to regular clothing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and I hope you subscribe. My last video for Halloween videos will be out on Friday, so I will see you all in my next video. And I'm really happy that I was able to make this dress and only spend $5. This movie. No, I already said that. Wow, Rosabelle. It's definitely not movie quality. My paper mache and fake hand is a little low budge. I don't think I would ever touch that material again. Don't start that again. I don't know what to say. I think we have a problem.